I like your doors too. I've never seen a style open like that. That's pretty cool.
Hey, I was worried about it, man, because when I did it, I was more nervous because I'm like, I had to get bigger slots to hold it.
Yeah. Wow. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I'm gonna say what I have in here and everything.
Yeah, man. What's your name? What's in here? Go ahead.
My name is Brandon Smith, known on TikTok, anywhere Smokes-Works. That's my business. And I have 4 Gailey Audio 8s on a JP43, and 8K on the back of DC Audio Level 5.
Wow. So is this a port for the 8?
This is 8s, yes.
Okay.
I actually took you ever see those Gately boxes that's under the seat?
Yes.
I have a 1500 and I bought a Gately box.
Okay.
I kind of took the design from
Made it work.
And I just kind of ported it. You know,
Yes, sir.
the same design pretty much, man.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Wow. Where's your electrical, like your battery, all that?
I actually have 2 Gorilla Series under each side. 8 amp hours, 14 amp.
Sorry. Wow. So they're right. They're hidden in here.
Up under
Okay.
back, yeah.
Got it.
And I have 8 amps total.
So this is your bass amp for...
That's my bass amp for just this back here. And I have highs amps is built under here. Everything.
What level subs are those?
Level 5.
Level 5s? Okay. Wow.
Same as what's in that one.
It is? Okay. Very nice. What's your port tension on the outside box?
40.
40, okay.
Yeah, we ran, no, we did what, 42, 40, 44.
Around 40?
Yeah, 42, 44, I think.
Wow. I like your doors too. I've never seen a style open like that. That's pretty cool.
Hey, I was worried about it, man, because when I did it, I was more nervous because I'm like, I had to get bigger slots to hold it.
Yeah. Wow. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile and I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Randy's one-of-a-kind system. I am really excited to show y'all how it sounds. It's got a lot of subwoofer flex on these 8s inside of here, as well as on his outside dual 12-inch subwoofers, as well as a full walk around with a lot of music. This was at the Biloxi, Mississippi show, Scrapin' the Coast in 2022. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. He did a really great job showcasing it at the show. Never really seen systems like this whenever I go to any audio shows, having subs on the inside and outside of the vehicle. And he has an extreme fabrication work on his right and left door, as he was talking about, to get to where his vehicle doors can lift up like this. You don't really see a lot of vehicles like that. Maybe somebody could comment and suggest how they do that. Powerful 8,000 watt amp is pushing these 12-inch subs, and I think he said it was a little over 4,000 watts on the 8-inch subwoofers inside. For all the normal viewers, sorry I didn't get more specs about the box inside. I did not find out how much space this is, as well as if it is a specific tuning. But he did a great job, everybody. Give him a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing, all the new viewers and people that watch me that may have not subscribed, for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. Really excited to show y'all how this sounds now. Enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive. Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.